I found 13 of the easiest work from home jobs for 2024. These are jobs that are easy to land, and in many cases, they're relatively easy once you get start working. Easy money, easy money. My team and I put about 100 hours of work into each of these videos to ensure they are top-notch and provide you with the best possible option. If you appreciate that, then go ahead and let us know by gently tapping the like button. Let's get into it with number 1 on the list, which is going to be social listening analysis. This is where you analyze social media conversation to detect trends, providing invaluable insight for marketing, branding, and communication strategies. Companies of all sizes are seeking the digital detectives, and social listening analysis make about $59,000 to $91,000 a year. This is a relatively new career where a college degree or previous experience is not necessary, and being young is an advantage due to growing up using social media. Next one on the list is sourcing specialist. This role involves tracking down suppliers to ensure the best value for goods, materials, and services. Sourcing specialists make about $60,000 to $89,000 a year. While some industries or career experience is beneficial, it's not a strict requirement, making it relatively easy to get into. Following that is a launch specialist tasked with launching new websites, sites, or products. It involves coordinating with the client, conducting audits, and prioritizing customer satisfaction. Launch specialists can make around $60,000 to $100,000 a year. This is considered one of the harder jobs on the list, with periods of business during the launches. Opportunities in digital marketing, including this role, are diverse. A medical science writer comes next, decoding the language of medicine to craft documents, articles, and manuals related to healthcare. Medical science writers make around $68,000 to $115,000 a year. Healthcare experience is required, but not necessary in a specific healthcare career. This is a good option for those looking to transition into a different career within healthcare. Moving on to channel sales representative, responsible for selling a company's products through resellers or channels. Channel sales representatives make around $84,000 to $146,000 a year. While it's relatively easy to land this role, sales may not be for everyone. It's considered one of the harder jobs on the list. A digital production coordinator is next, acting as a traffic controller for entertainment content production. They handle everything from setting up production to managing schedules and budgets. Digital production coordinators make about $45,000 to $70,000 a year. This is a relatively new career within social media and is somewhat harder than some other options on the list. Following this is a claims reviewer, evaluating insurance claims for fairness and proper process. Claims reviewers make around $47,000 to $75,000 a year. This job is easy to land and relatively easy to do, requiring no advanced skills or college degree. Next is a narrator, involving speaking out loud the written words, such as audiobooks narration. Narrators make around $55,000 to $101,000 a year. Opportunities in this field vary, and it's a decent option to explore it. Next, a benefits specialist worked in an HR setting, ensuring employees have good benefits. They make around $47,000 to $70,000 a year. This job is easy to get into, although it may not be the most glamorous. Next, a public affairs associate crafts public relations strategies, managing communication with stakeholders and shaping public opinion. Public affairs associates make around $60,000 to $99,000 a year. While a bachelor's degree is usually preferred, it's not always necessary, and the job is relatively chill. Next, a patient safety specialist in the healthcare industry focuses on coordinating safety projects and minimizing errors. They make around $60,000 to $99,000 a year. While they prefer people with a college degree and a background in healthcare, the job is relatively chill. Next, a project coordinator assistant, usually in the art world, supports and streamlines coordination for artistic and cultural projects. They make around $46,000 to $67,000 a year. This job may be easy if you love art, but landing the initial job can be a bit challenging. Finally, a membership specialist fosters a sense of community, drives membership sales, and ensures member satisfaction. Membership specialists make around $43,000 to $66,000 a year. This is relatively a new role, especially in the digital world, and is easy to get into. Overall, these jobs provide various opportunities, and their ease may depend on the individual preferences and skills. In conclusion, the world of remote work offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals seeking a comfortable and rewarding work-from-home experience. From social listening analysis to membership specialists, there's a diverse range of roles that cater to the different skills and interests. Whether you're exploring a new career path or looking for a change, these jobs present accessible entry points into the realm of remote work. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these work-from-home jobs resonate with you the most, and why? Are there specific skills or interests that make a particular role stand out for you? Share your thoughts, and let's continue the conversation. Until next time, keep checking back and be freelantastic.